Amira Hashim Sahaba writes from Egypt. Her question is in twofold. Firstly, she says that my question is concerning our children. Here in Egypt, when our children go to school, they are taught some religious matter that they are not correct. We Ahmadis know that these points are wrong according to the teaching of Ahmadiyyat. But we cannot interfere in this because the children will be confused. When they will sit for the exam, they will have to give answer according to what is written in their school books. But on the other hand, we are of course very keen to teach our children the correct concept of religion. So how can we deal with this situation? How can we teach our children the true Islam without interfering in their school requirements and without alienating them from the surrounding society? I also want to ask, is there any chance that the Jamaat can provide for our children a summer school where the Ahmadi children can get together and learn the true Ahmadiyya teachings?
Now this problem is not limited to Egypt. This problem is faced by Ahmadis all over the world. In Pakistan, in England, in Germany, etc. Wherever they go to a college or school where religious studies are taught, particularly Islam, the teachers follow the classical books of medieval ulama. And also here sometimes they have to send children to non-Ahmadi Qaris, Mullahs, because no Ahmadi Rabbi, etc. is available for teaching the Quran. So they learn those things. So this is a sort of international problem. This happens in Pakistan, everywhere. The answer to this is that we emphasize that at home the parents, particularly the mothers, must teach them the right answers, but also should tell them that in the examination papers you should write that according to the syllabus this is the answer. Although I do not agree fully, they may or may not write, but they should specifically give the answer with respect to the syllabus. What we are taught in this school, this is the answer. So I think this can be accepted by the teachers, and many a time we have noticed that Ahmadi boys and girls stand first in Islamiyat in Pakistan, while in the same Islamiyat they are teaching things against Ahmadiyyat. So they only remain to the region of syllabus and no more. Right?